Hey there, check out this steel wire core flip line kit designed for tree climbers and arborists. The 8-foot rope features a strong galvanized steel core with a maximum breaking strength of 20 kilonewtons. Its rigid braided construction makes flipping up trees smooth and works seamlessly with the included rope grab adjuster. You also get a double-lock carabiner and a steel swivel snap for reliable support without twisting or kinking. This versatile kit is CE certified and ideal for climbing, hiking, and rescue missions. Just remember to stay safely away from electrical hazards while using it. Grab your kit today and elevate your climbing game with total confidence. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.